Welcome, let's learn how to insert page number from a specific page. Before we start, kindly subscribe to the channel. This is a 4-page document. Let us start numbering from the second page. Click on the page you want to start numbering from. Navigate to the Layout tab and left-click. Click on Breaks. Select Next Page. Navigate to the Insert tab and click. Navigate to your right till you find page number. Select. Choose your desired format. The page numbers have been inserted, but starts on the first instead of the second. To correct that, click on the second page again. Insert. Page number. Format page numbers. Select Start It. Click OK. Let's take off the number on the first page. Double-click on the footer. Scroll up and select Different First Page. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.